This is the reason why celebrities grow most of the time, because these celebrities are following the latest medical trend of having IV vitamin drips. Now these drips contain a mixture of vitamin, minerals, electrolytes and even medicines. When given IV have absorption of almost 80 to 90%, having significant results. Now IV drips contain a mixture of ingredients which can be standardized according to the name. For instance, there are IV drips containing antioxidants such as vitamin C and glutathione, which when taken over a period of few sessions have great improvement in the skin texture as well as improvement in the skin tone by decreasing the melanin production. Then there are IV drips which are done for weight management, for having significant improvement in weight loss over a period of time. Then there are IV drips even for anti-aging, to help you in the prevention and improvement in wrinkles, thereby giving you a full anti-aging effect. Then there are IV drips also containing overall immunity boost by decreasing the toxicity level of the whole body and increasing the immune system of the body by providing you a variety of nutrients such as minerals, vitamins, overall improvement in whole body and whole skin texture. So these IV drips have significant improvement in overall skin texture, lightening the skin tone, immunity boost, weight loss and overall very good for management of overall body